What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and today we're at it again with another video. Now, before we go ahead and get into the main subject of this video, I did want to talk about the future of this channel because I'm very excited. However, if you are here for just the unboxing of the Google Pixel 4 XL, I'll go ahead and post some text in this video that'll tell you when that portion of the video actually starts. So today we're here for the unboxing of the Pixel 4 XL. Now, I'm very excited about this because if you've been following the channel, you know that I've been with the Pixel for quite some time now. In fact, I have the Google Pixel 2 XL box in there and the Pixel 3 XL box right there as well. And unfortunately, I did miss out on the original Pixel. But that's where the channel name comes from. It comes from the Pixel devices. And we're not only talking about smartphones, but we're talking about the Chromebooks too, the Pixelbook and the Pixelbook Go. Now, I took a moment to actually think about the unboxing. Should I really do this? Obviously, I'm not the first to do an unboxing of the Google Pixel 4 XL. I don't get a unit under embargo, which I think that's a huge advantage. I generally have to wait days or weeks to get my device as well. So again, that set me back more. And I actually do pay for the devices. So this is something that I'm doing every year. It's my money. I'm not getting any discounts. I'm not getting any handouts. So this must all be a disadvantage to me, right? And you know what? I gotta say I disagree with that. Being late out of the gate actually allows me to see all the reviews, and I actually get some more time to think about what I want to make a video about. I also think there's something to say about me having to put my money up front for this device. It really shows that I'm actually interested in this. I actually believe in it. I think if people see that I'm actually buying it, it makes them wonder, like, why is he buying this? It could possibly be good, right? I really want to take the time to share educational info about Pixel phones and Pixel Chromebooks. Basically everything Google hardware related. Now, of course, I do want to talk about pros, but I also want to talk about cons and everything in between. And throughout the videos, I want to share snippets of possible future videos, so make sure you're paying attention to that as well. So the goal of the channel moving forward is really to create a catalog of videos on YouTube so that anyone new or old to Pixel hardware, or Google hardware for that matter, will have a supply of information that they can go to. It'll be in playlists, it'll be in videos, a wide array of videos created for just a single device, kind of like a library. So each device will have many topics, and you can go into that playlist for that device, see all those different topics, and then really know, do I want to buy this? I want to organize these videos conveniently. I want to organize them by title. I want to organize them by how you would set this phone up as you get it. What's the first thing we're going to do here? We're going to unbox it. Then what's the next thing we're going to do? We're going to put a case on it and then a screen protector. And then the next thing, we're going to go ahead, start it up, show what it's like to actually go through the startup process of this device here. That's just 3 things that we could potentially cover, and we're going to be diving more into that. So this is kind of like a science, and I'm very excited about it because I get to go through this and I myself get to learn more, and then I get to share what I learned with all of you. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so here we are with the packaging of the Pixel 4 XL. We've got the Pixel 3 XL right there. You can see the packaging on the front hasn't really changed all that much. The phone is displayed pretty much the same. Now here is the packaging on the front of the Pixel 2 XL, and you can see the phone was displayed at an angle. Just looks a little bit different, but pretty much the same. Now the back of the packaging is where you're going to see the most change, and here we have the Google Pixel 4 XL, the Google Pixel 3 XL, and the Google Pixel 2 XL, and you can see that that Google Pixel 4 XL back part of the packaging looks completely different. I actually like it. So here we are with the actual details of my Pixel 4 XL. You can see we have the 6.3 inch screen there. We have the 128 gigs of storage, and I'm a minimalist, so what I have here is the just black unit. Now product details, it has here that includes the Pixel 4 XL. We've got an 18 watt USB-C power adapter, charging cable, and quick switch adapter. This is important here when you're getting this phone. You can see we've got this small print here. Not all features are available in all areas. Actual formatted storage capacity is less, requires acceptance of arbitration terms. Now this phone here does have a radar, and depending on the country that you're in, that radar may not be accessible. It's turned off because that country does not accept the use of this kind of radar. So if you're going to get this phone and you're going to want to use all these features, make sure you actually look into whether your country completely supports this phone. Now, looking at the actual unboxing, I admire what Google does here. This is very simple. You don't need a scalpel or scissors or anything to open up the box. You just have these tabs here, and you just kind of pick at them a little bit and then slowly pull them off. So we're gonna go ahead and slide the top off nice and smooth, as always with Google products. We then have this tab here that we can just peel at a little bit, and that allows us to lift the phone right up and out, and we can also peel back on that to unwrap the phone. Now, before we're going to proceed any further here, I think it's important to slide some things out the way and talk about protection. This is a future idea we're going to be talking about here. We're going to be talking about protecting this Pixel 4 XL. So make sure you stay tuned, because that's going to be one of our next videos here. We're going to talk about putting the case on, and we're going to see if that screen protector works with the case. So now we're going to take the plastic off here, and then we can take a look at the phone. And this plastic wraps all the way around and then just peels off very nice. So here we are with the Pixel 4 XL. Looks very nice, looks very shiny, very sleek. Now on the front here, what you're going to notice is that we don't have a chin anymore. We just have that top bezel. And then if you look for the speakers here, you'll only see the one at the top, whereas on previous Pixel devices, you had one at the top there and the bottom. Now there are speakers at the bottom here, but they're actually located right there. So this gives it more of a cleaner appearance. Now looking to the side here, I actually like this. Again, I have the just black version, and the power button there is going to be white, but the volume rocker is going to be black. Now moving to the back here, you're going to see things that differentiate this from previous Pixel devices as well. So you got this square here for the camera module, and that's going to be new. But also what you're going to notice here is that there is no fingerprint reader. So if you're used to the fingerprint reader, you might not want this device. The other thing to keep in mind too is that there are many apps that support a fingerprint reader, and this phone isn't going to have that anymore. And that's because we're going to facial recognition. That's how we're going to unlock the device. Now the other thing you're going to notice is I haven't been handling this phone for very long, and we already have quite a bit of fingerprints. So this is going to be a fingerprint magnet. And we're going to open this up and see what's in here. And it looks like we're going to have some information here. Normally that's what's packaged in here. Now if you're coming from an older phone to this newer phone, say you have a phone that has micro USB, this phone, like all the other Google Pixels, have USB-C. Now this little device here doesn't only have to be used for the Pixel 4 XL, it can also be used to connect other hardware that has a USB-A connection to a laptop. So this is multi-purpose, so don't toss this out. Moving on here, the next thing we have is that USB-C charge sync cable. Now the last thing we'll have for this unboxing will be a charge brick for that USB Type-C cable. So this is just going to slide out just like this, and it's going to have a very simple design as well. It's going to be all white. Now I do wonder why they didn't make this color coordinated with the phone. How cool would that be? You have a few different Google colors. If this one were black like my phone, or maybe the color of the other phones, along with maybe the cable, or maybe the cable could be just white, that would be a nice way to differentiate itself from the competitor. It would also be a nice way to keep track of your charger. If you're hanging around other people, maybe you're at a party or a social gathering, yours is color coded, so it's easier to tell which charger is yours. So that is pretty much it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, make sure you leave a like. I know a lot of YouTubers do that where they say, like the video, like the video, like the video. And I'm not just saying that because I want to get likes. I'm saying that because I want people to see that this is a good video. Many people have liked it because it was informative. Now, if you have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below. And this is just like the likes. I'm not just looking for comments. I'm looking to help people. I'm looking for ways to improve the channel. So anything you can tell me, any questions you may ask, they may help me grow in the whole technology realm, or they may help me help you. Or if I don't have the answer to help you, there may be someone in the comments below that can help you. And this is a whole community, so these comments aren't for me, they're for the community. And last but not least, you can support the channel by sharing this video with someone who might find it useful, or by hitting that subscribe button. Now, subscribing is just like the likes and the comments. I don't want you to just subscribe because I tell you to do so. I want you to subscribe because there's something you like about the channel. You find it useful, you find the people who comment are very good people, you like the way I put things together. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out.
What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in. I'm working on another video. It's completely dark here. I don't know where I'm at.